Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. So guys, market is pretty negative now. Okay, so I'm gonna analyze from scratch. An error happened yesterday, which I'll be clearing it in this video. Okay, so if you see, this is on a daily time frame. This is the support and resistance which I've marked. Okay, according to me, tomorrow morning, if market crosses anywhere, okay, let me go to 15 minutes. If tomorrow market crosses anywhere below 19,640, I'm going to sell it. Okay, because it's negative already, I'm going to sell it, and this will be my stop loss, and my target, this will be my target. Okay, so this is what I'm planning for tomorrow. Most probably it might gap down tomorrow. If it gap down, if it gaps down somewhere here, I'll wait for it to slowly climb up, then come to my level, and then only I'll be able to short it. Okay, so this is my view on Nifty. Let's get into Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, I had a SL hit today in the morning, and after that it exactly came to our level, so I shorted it. Okay, I already have my position here. That is, here my SL got hit, I exited here, and I entered here exactly. If you see in 5 minutes time frame, there's a pullback. I entered in that pullback, and this is my actual target. I'm still holding because the market is negative. I'm still holding it. This is my position as of now. So tomorrow what I'll do is I might add position if this level gets broken. That is 44,000, 43,830. If it gets broken, I'll make new positions and I'll be looking forward for a downfall. Okay, so this is for Bank Nifty. US oil. Okay, the error what I was talking about, it was in US oil. Okay, so let me clear this very. I'm coming out clear. That is, I should have analyzed this on daily time frame. Okay, I should have actually analyzed this on daily time frame. Yesterday I was just shorting the market, and later when I saw why am I taking losses from past 2-3 days, it's because the market is positive and I'm going against it. So basically what I'm doing is I'm doing a counter trade. That is why I was facing few losses, which is totally fine. Now again, if you see, market, it broke this triangle and it went up, and now it's came back, it's come back, so it is taking a support on this level now. Okay, that is, it is taking a support here. So what I will do is I will buy here, put my stop loss here, and I'll hold it till this. Okay, 1:3 is an easy trade. I'm definitely going to buy this and hold this. I don't have any issues. So market is bullish, so I'm going to go bullish on this. And because the global scenario and all is still bad, commodities will go up. That is why I'm buying. That is another logic behind this. Okay, so hereafter I'm gonna clearly do what I actually do. That is, I'll analyze it on a daily time frame and give you a bigger picture. Okay, that is more sensible. So guys, according to the swing trading, please stay out of swing trading till the markets get normal. Okay, so as of now I don't have anything, but if you're holding any positions, it's very cool. Just hold it, it's totally fine. Just make sure if it hits your stop loss, you come out. We can enter later. Okay, we have more stocks. Okay, we do have a lot of stocks still waiting for us to trade on the chart, on the screener and all. So don't worry, if it hits your stop loss, well and good. Or if you're trailing your stop loss, keep trailing it. Few stocks will come down, few stocks won't come. Okay, that depends on the stock. Right, so thank you so much. This is the market analysis video for today. This is not any kind of tip or any kind of what is it call. This is just my view on market, how I'm going to trade it for tomorrow. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.